everyone, welcome to Sparkle Themes, and today we're going to learn how to set up your Sparkle theme. So right now I have some demo content in my SpiderMag theme, and today we're going to learn how to set up your SpiderMag theme like in the demo. So I have a bunch of posts over here assigned to different categories, and let's just look at our demo site. So this is our demo site. You can see the static front page, all nice and well separated into different blocks and categories, and we're going to learn how to do this. So since SpiderMag is all about customize, we are going to open our customize section of our WordPress. So you can see the preloader over here, and the first settings we are going to do is the preloader. So if you go to the preloader settings, you will check to disable the preloader, or you can just leave it blank to enable the preloader. You can choose from 9 different preloader settings. I'm going to leave it at disabled. So I'm going to go back, and the next setting we have is the header settings. So first we have the site identity. So you can select a logo. The recommended logo size is 190 by 60 px, and I have my logo right over here, which is 190 by 46. So if the logo does not match, it will give you the option to crop, which you can also skip crop to get the size. You can always also choose to display or not display the site title and tagline. Next we have is the site logo. So we are going to select our site logo settings. So recommended size is 512 by 512 pixels, but it just needs to be a square picture. So I'm just going to skip crop, and you can see my logo over here also. So if I just pull this down over here, you can see our site icon over there. Now let's move on to our next settings. Next we have our header image. You can choose to add a header image or just keep it. The recommended size is over here. In this video I'm not going to put a header image. The next one is the breaking news section, which is the section right over here. You can see this. You can choose to enable or disable it. You can add a label to it or add a omega icon. So here are my settings, and you can see it here. I'm just going to give a quick title, say news, and you can see news pop up over here just like that. You can also add a omega icon. So you can click on omega icon, and I'm gonna paste my omega icon code over here, and you should see the omega icon. So here is my icon, and you can go to this link over here to learn more about omega icons. So let's get back to our settings. The next we have our advanced header settings, where you can set the date or social icons. So here I have my social icons. We'll learn how to configure the social icons later, and you can check to show or hide the home button over here. So you can see my home icon is no longer over here, and if I click back, the icon will show back. The next we have is the menu sticky behavior. So I have disabled this, and if I scroll down, you'll see that the menu scrolls down with the page. But if I enable this and then scroll down, you'll see that the menu sticks to the top of the page, which is a cool feature. The next we have is the search icon over here. So if I disable it, the search icon will disappear, and if I check, the search icon will appear again. The next is the check-in login in header, and so on. So the next thing we're gonna do is set up menus. SpiderMag provides you 3 different menu options. We have the top menu, footer menu, and the primary menu. So I have assigned a menu to each section, and I'm just going to quickly add some menu items to it. So I'm going to go to add items, and in random I'm going to pick up some of the pages I have. You can also choose from categories, so just random categories. Click over here and click over here, and it should add my categories right here. So I'm just going to save and publish, and you can already see my menu over at the top. The next we are going to do is the footer menu. Again, I have assigned it to the footer location and I have assigned the menu, and this footer menu should appear somewhere below here. So I'm just going to quickly add a couple of items, a couple of pages. You can also add custom link if you want. You can add posts or tags, your terms and conditions, or anything you want. I'm just going to quickly add some of the pages, and you can already see the page and the home appearing at the footer right over here. And the next we have is the main menu, which I have already set. And this is it for this video. In the next video we'll learn more about SpiderMag and we'll learn how to configure it. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.